What cleaning schedule should a pop-up drink stand follow? A pop-up drink stand should follow a daily deep clean, an hourly wipe down during service, and a weekly deep sanitation of equipment and storage areas to stay safe and compliant. Think of your drink stand like a lemonade stand that grown-ups depend on to stay healthy, so cleaning is not just about looking nice, it is about stopping tiny germs you cannot even see. Every single hour while you are open, you should wipe down counters, nozzles, and any spot where hands or drinks touch, because sugar and syrup residue builds up fast and attracts bacteria and bugs. At the end of each day, every cup, blender part, and surface needs a full wash with hot soapy water, then a sanitizing rinse, since leftover moisture overnight becomes a breeding ground for mold. Something most people do not know is that ice bins need their own separate cleaning routine, because ice is legally treated as a food item, not just a cooling agent. So if your scoop touches the counter and then the ice, you have already contaminated the whole bin. Once a week, you should pull apart your dispensers and syrup lines and run a vinegar or approved cleaning solution through them, because syrup can cake up inside tubing where you cannot see it, slowly changing the taste of your drinks without you realizing why sales are dropping. One common mistake is letting employees use the same rag for wiping counters and cleaning spills from the ground, so keep color-coded cloths, one for surfaces and one for floors to avoid cross-contamination. Another issue is forgetting to check the expiration and cleanliness of fruit garnishes or mix-ins, since these sit out during service and spoil faster than people expect, so do a quick visual and smell check every 2 hours. A less obvious caution is mineral buildup inside water lines if you are in an area with hard water, which can clog your machine, so a monthly descaling treatment will keep everything running smoothly and taste consistent. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.